Hello, I'm Ale and welcome to Solo Cose Nove. As you know, my garage is full of bikes, but I didn't find the right one yet. I wanted to try this full mountain bike because sometimes I go off tracks and my gravel is not enough. But before moving on, leave a thumb up, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you won't miss any content like this and help the channel to grow. Thanks! Furthermore, on the website solocosenove.it you'll find all about Solo Cose Nove world. Let's start with a test of the bike like it is. Initially it worked quite well, but I wanted something more. So this is the bike. As you can see, it's quite good, red and white with this downhill title on it, but I don't know why, because it's not a downhill bike. It was a good bike, but I want something more. So I should dismount it all parts and do something different. Here it is, I'm riding this bike. It's okay. Let's start stripping out these labels with the thermic gun and a little of scratching materials. Then I used hammer everywhere because it's always good to hammer down a bike, as you know. And I clean up a little the rear derailleur. I used here the WD-42 because it go to melt the grease, and then I washed all the bike with my water gun because it was really dirty. Screw I found and dismount the handlebar. I make this video also to remember how every part are mounted. And I suggest you to do the same thing if you like to disassemble things. Next, I get off the front fork. I didn't like this because it was 80mm suspensions, but not so good. Soundtour, but first price, not so good. And let's go with the wheel. Here it is, the front fork, and here it is, my new fork. It also 80mm suspension, but it has the weight adjustment, and it's a little improvement. With a larger handlebar because I want a bike capable of hard trails. dismounted the rear wheel. Next, it's time to get off the rear derailleur and the chain. It still works, but I had to clean it very well. I make a single tray ring bike because I like it so, and I dismounted the pedals and dismounted the chain ring. It is, it could still work, but it's all very dirty. I wanted to repaint the bike, so I had to unscrew everything and dismount also the central suspension, which is quite good, but not so good like blocking ones. A little of brute force is always useful, and don't lose any parts or you can't remount the bike. I use this gel stripper to unpaint the bike. Remember to wear mask and glasses, and also gloves, because it can be dangerous to use this kind of stripper. Reaction on the bike. I hoped that one single application would be enough, but it's not, so I should use the drill and more brute force. This is the first step. For the second step, I use the gel stripper again to clean it up very well. Mask and every protections to paint the bike, because I used natural paint and not water paint, because they should be more resistant. Step on the part I needed to paint, then I used black paint. The problem was that I didn't wait enough time, so the black paint corrupted when the white paint dry out, but this kind of effect, so I leave the bike like this. I know that this technique is used in decoupage. And that's all for today. Thank you for following me. I hope you liked this first part of the project, and in the next video I'll show you how to reassemble all the bike and we go out together for a test ride. Thank you again and see you in the next exciting video. Ciao!